In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Threads by Instagram. Let's start on the Threads home feed. Once you've logged in, this is the main page you'll see. Think of it as your central hub. It's where posts from people you follow and recommended accounts will appear. Spend a moment scrolling here so you can get familiar with how posts look, how replies are shown, and where buttons like reply, and repost are positioned. This will help everything else make more sense. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a column of options. One of the most important is New Thread. Click on New Thread whenever you want to write and publish something. A compose box will open where you can type your text, add emojis, and in some cases attach media. Take a second to review what you've written before posting, then go ahead and share it to your followers. In that same left column, you'll see Search. Click on Search when you want to find user accounts to follow and interact with. You can type in names, topics, or keywords. As you discover interesting profiles, open them, check their posts, and follow the ones you like. This is how you build a feed that's actually relevant to you. Next, click on Messages in the left column to access your inbox. This is where your private chats live. Use it to hold one-on-one or group conversations that don't need to be public. It's good practice to check messages regularly so you don't miss anything important. Below that, click on Activity to view what's been happening around your account. Here you'll see things like new followers, likes, replies, and mentions. It's a quick way to understand how people are engaging with your content. Click on Profile to view and edit your own profile. From here you can change your bio, profile picture, and other visible details. Make sure this page clearly represents who you are or what your brand is about. If you have access to analytics, click on Insights to see how your posts are performing. This section shows metrics like reach and engagement, which can guide what you post in the future. Click on Save to revisit posts you've saved for later, and on Following to see a full list of accounts you're currently following. At the very bottom of the left column, click on More to open extra options. Inside More, you'll find several useful tools. Appearance lets you switch between dark and light themes so you can choose what's easier on your eyes. Settings gives you access to important account options like account status and content preferences. You'll also see Liked, which shows posts you've liked, and Archive, where you can review posts you've archived instead of deleting. If something isn't working correctly or you encounter abuse or spam, use Report a Problem to send feedback to the Threads team. Finally, when you're done using Threads, choose Logout to securely sign out of your account.